Abakazi 10 abarukora obucweka 20 nibo barukwitwa endwara ya preeclampsia erikureetwaho Puresha na munonga omu bakazi benda abarukufa barikuzaara okurugirira hari Dr. Bw'Okuzara ori omuzaarisa ahari Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital. Endwara egi ya preeclampsia neya kabiri omu kwita abakazi abarukufa barikuzaara omu ihanga.
Preeclampsia is a hypertensive disorder, but ensure that we have good outcomes for the mother and for the baby, but also helps us to be able to act early.
Dr. yashobora habuzubo buri ahandwara egi ngu nibasa kugumzamu kukwata ebicweka by'omubiri birimu ensigo obwonko n'okukwata ha mwana okuragurira endwara egi nikirugirira aha rurengo rw'ekubeeraho kandi n'embeera y'omwana arikuba ariho okugira ngu omukazi bamuheereze omubazi.
Because we know it to eventually be associated with convulsion sometimes and injury, especially to the brain. The next goal is usually to control or prevent the convulsions from happening.
Okwetantara obwire obu reebuka ngu wareeba abashaho otandike kukyebeza waagira otenda. Dr. nagira ngu okwegyesa abantu aha burwire obu nituza kuyambaho abantu okumanya aha ndwara egi n'okutaasa abakazi abakufa barikuzaara aha bw'endwara egi.
Further follow-up and closer follow-up by the healthcare team, by the doctors, midwives are instituted so that during the follow-up we are able to catch and identify if things are getting worse.
Dr. Bw'Okuzara yabereka okukirya ky'omugasho abakazi kutandika kukyebeza enda wabura kuza omu micwe omu kwezi kw'okubanza okugira ngu endwara egi yamanywa kare.
Antenatal attendance is very important as far as concerns one, being able to identify the risk factors for those women who are likely to develop preeclampsia.
Ndio Olivia Kamsime abwa Tayali West omuri Mbarara.